Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we are discussing about has or have. So when we use have in the plural form and I, we, you, they. When we use has, subject is in singular and he, she, it. Let's see examples. First one. I blank an apple have. I blank an apple, so plural. He blank a book, he plural. Have. Birds blank wings, birds plural. He singular has, birds have. We dash to rent a car, have. You blank a cat, have. They blank a test, have. He blank a laptop, has. So have is in plural, has is subject is in singular. Emma blank been the Paris, has. You blank to go to school, have. I blank played school, have. It blank a red ball, has. Scoot blank an umbrella, has. Clara blank to see you, has. I blank an idea, have. We blank an appointment, have. They blank a problem, have. Take blank a question, has. The car blank ident, has. You blank to help me, have. William blank a bicycle. Let me know. Answer in the comment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.